Here are some steps to add and manage documents for verification on tool44.com. 1. Sign up or log into your account at tool44.com. 2. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings tab in the left side menu and click on it. Inside the Settings tab, look for the toggle bar at the top of the page. Click on it to reveal additional settings options. 3. Among the additional settings options, you will find Authenticate Documents. Click on it to access the Document Verification section. 4. In the Document Verification section, you will see an Add Document Details button link located in the top right corner. Click on it to add your document details. 5. Fill out the form with the required information for your document. This may include document type, document number, issue date, and other relevant details. 6. Once you have filled out the form, review the information and ensure its accuracy. 7. Click on the Submit button to save your document details. Your new document card will be displayed in the list of documents. 8. To manage your document details, you can edit or delete them. To edit a document, click on the Edit icon associated with the respective document card. To delete a document, click on the Delete icon. Follow the prompts to confirm the deletion. Please note that your document details are private and will not be shown anywhere except to you. Tool44 ensures the confidentiality of your document information. That's it, you have successfully learned how to add and manage documents for verification on tool44.com. Keep your documents updated and provide accurate information for a smooth verification process.